20% of employees quit strictly because of a bad work culture, that costs a lot of money.
They can have the best boss in the entire world, but if the culture is toxic, they're not going to stay. I remember going back to my first day on the job in the welding industry. It wasn't until I put that helmet on for the first time and I struck my first arc. It was then that I fell in love with the industry, but it was the workplace culture that kept me there. In every organization, there's two types of culture. There's the ideal culture, and then there's the real culture. So how do you create that type of culture that keeps your top talent from becoming someone else's? Well, we do this through a gratitude strategy, or as I like to call it, your gratitude, the only word I own. When you get the culture right, you won't have to be the highest paying company in your industry to attract and retain great people. If I go and throw away all that money, those people are just going to take that training and leave. Well, let me ask you, what if you don't train them and they stay? No employee ever quit because of too much training, but plenty of them have quit because of not enough. Culture is everyone's responsibility. And it doesn't matter your role in the organization, you have the opportunity to make someone's day better, or you can make it worse. And it does start with leadership. Leadership needs to stop looking at engagement as a noun and treat it as the verb that it is. Most people want to be connected. They want to know that you know something about them. And that can be as simple as walking through the plant and knowing employees by name. It doesn't take a lot, but it does take something. Am I telling you that you should thank your employees for doing their job? Yes, I am. You know, I really appreciate the fact that you put in that extra hour of overtime so you could get the order shipped. The customer was really happy, and I just want to let you know how much I appreciate you. The fact that I was specific told that employee that I'm paying attention.
Lisa Ryan opened our conference with a bang.
Jumped up on stage and has energy.
She killed it. She was fantastic, and I had a lot of personal takeaways that I'm excited about bringing back to our team.
Thought-provoking, but also action-oriented. So there were real takeaways.
She really connects with the people, engaged, people interact with each other, raise their hands, participate.
She was a home run.
Just want to say it's fabulous. I highly recommend Lisa as a speaker.
She's a great choice.